Because today is going to be a lovely day. Look at those mountains. Wow. It's 4:30 in the morning. By the way. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm lost for words right now. What the fuck? Damn. Wow, I think this is actually a machine where you can get dumplings and things like from the machine. Okay, I need to try this. Not sure if today is the day, but oh, I think I saw a machine like this, just didn't realize that it is one that the food actually comes out from. I don't know why I'm taking my time because I need to rush a bit, but yeah. Oh, cool. Because I have these machines like in front of restaurants as well. You place your order and you go inside. But I was like, there's no restaurant here, so what is this? It's when it hit me that the food probably just couldn't come out. It was 1,000 yen, which is like six euros, is it? No. 1,000 yen is like, not 6 euros. I'm confused now. 1,000 yen is like, anyway, it's cheap. It's too early, man. My head's too foggy. I'm still confused with the conversion rate sometimes. It's cheap. It's cheap. That's what it is. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Approaching the train station. It's very cold. It is a beautiful day, but it's very cold. I also wonder what Lovina is. It's like I feel like it's like a Corte Inglés or something. I've seen these places. Oh, there's a family mart here. I definitely need to grab myself some breakfast. But I figured that I'm gonna do that. I have my first train. It's only one stop to Aomori, where the bullet train is from. And only last night I realized that I actually have to wait there for like 45 minutes or something, because this is the first train to Aomori. The next one is at 6:36, which is like an hour later. And with that one I will not make my train, because my train from Aomori is at 6:33, I think, on top of my head. So yeah, so anyways, long story short, I decided it's probably better if I need to get this view. Since I'll have time to kill, I'll just grab some breakfast around there. I saw that there's a Lawson close to the station. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. So yeah, by the way, sun is up. I think sunrise, I'm not sure, maybe around 5:15 was sunrise, which is like, I don't know, like 10-15 minutes ago, I guess, was sunrise. Pretty. Yeah, as I was saying, pretty. Just gonna get a quick shot of the Aomori lettuce here. I already took pictures. But oh my gosh, and these mountains. I mean, look at that. Ah, damn. Oh, sunrise would have been really nice from here. Dudes, look at that. Oh my gosh. Aomori. Thank you. Had a blast. Let's take another picture and go to the train. Okay, made it to the train in time. It's leaving in 5 minutes. So yeah, let's see how busy it is. This is my train. How cute the trains are. Some of them are really cute. Really cute. I'm not sure what's the best place to sit, but I'm just gonna get in somewhere. Like here, because why not? Well, I don't know, people somehow I feel like following this guy. No, I'm just gonna get in here. Okay. Okay, so I got off the train, obviously, but also out of the train station for a bit. Like I said, to get some breakfast because I have like 45 minutes, maybe 40 now, until my next train goes. And I have seat reservations, so I really don't need to sit there for 30 minutes, for 40 minutes or whatever. So, as planned, I'm going to Lawson. That's really right outside the train station. My gosh, it's really cold. The air, I mean, it's very cold. Anyways, I prefer that over the rain from yesterday. All day, every day though. And these mountain views everywhere. It's amazing. It's amazing. But yeah, here we are. Lawson. Fuel me up, baby. Fuel me up. Okay. I got my goodies. This is the train station, so I'm going back in. And to my train. At least I killed 15 minutes. 20 by the time I'm done taking pictures and stuff. So yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Okie dokie. To be continued from the train. I mean, I'm sorry. Train station view much? Damn, look at this. Oh man, I love it. I love Japan. Did I say that already today? I love Japan. I love Japan. Okay, let's go to the train. Okay, let's go. platform 12. And the views keep on coming. I have a lot of stuff going on. There was one shop open here actually as well. But yeah, well, I'm glad I went out. Nice. So yeah, 12. So I'm in car 2. Seats. By the way, this is what the card looks like. This is my seat reservation card. So yeah, seats. Car 2, seat 13E. But yeah, so they just opened the door. So let's get in. The train! Car 2. I don't know if you can read it now. I can't read it. It's just, I don't know, electronics. It's a beautiful day. It's a long train too. Let's find my seat. 13E. Weep, weep. We're going this way. think there's toilets in this car. I don't think there's a toilet in my car. Ooh, it's nice and warm in the train. So yeah, this is the bullet train. This is the Shinkansen. Let me offload my bags and yeah, get going. I'll show you my goodies. Points to what myself. Okay, let's sit. Okay, I'm settled in. Took off the shoes. It's the first thing I do. Okay, so let me show you what I got. So this is my hot tea, which is I think this was also in English somewhere. Was it not? Yeah, here. Oisha, unsweetened green tea. There you go. I love that they sell hot drinks in supermarkets. This is what I got. I wasn't too sure about the pork part, but I don't know. I just had to try. This. Yeah, I don't know how they call this, but it looks like a weird kind of Cookie Monster thingy. So yeah, let's give it a try. The guy heated it up for me. Of course, it already cooled down by now, but let's attack it. Breakfast in the bullet train. Oh, I don't think I was filming. I keep doing this. Anyways, what I was saying is that I opened it up. This is what it looks like, the inside. And I can't wait to dig in. Let's do it. And we're moving. Oh my gosh, the mountains, the mountains. Yeah, you're gonna get very tired of me, but yeah, let's eat.
まもなく終点新函館港です。函館線は乗り換えです。お忘れ物のないようお支度ください。
Reached my destination. Doors open in the left. Should be here. So this train was it's really empty. Besides that, it's empty. This train ride was an hour and 2 minutes to be exact. So the first train, I don't even know. That was like very short, just one stop. The second train, this is the second train, 1 hour 2 minutes. Now we're going on a long journey. My next train is 3.5 hours, something like that. So yeah, let's go find that one. I have some time in between here as well. I don't know if it was like 20-30 minutes or something like that, but I have time, so I don't think I need to run. But yeah, I need to find it though. So yeah, bye bye, on to the next. Open doors, please. Thank you.
車内にお忘れ物をなさいませんようご注意ください。
Let's find the next one.
一つ上の階2階へお進みください。階段は4号車付近、エレベーターは5号車付近、エスカレーターは7号車付近にございます。右出口ご利用のお客様と在来線ご利用のお客様、一つ上の階2階へお進みください。
函館.
在来線お乗り換え列車ご案内します。
That's my next train, Limited Express. Hokkaido. Because I'm going to Sapporo. 2. Still have some time because it's 57. Like I said, I have some time to wait. So let's see. Since this train ride's gonna be like 3.5 hours or something, I should probably look for at least a snack and something else to drink because I finished everything. I see one shop here, so let's see what they have. It's very petite. I don't know if there are more stores inside, but I'm sure I'll find something in here. Okay, on to the next train. I got myself 2 drinks. I didn't get any snacks in the end because I'm actually full, and I realized that I still have 3 poke, well, no, not poke, whatever, these chocolate sticks. So this is me. I need to figure out where I'm sitting. But I got this drink. It's like a hot lemon. It's hot. So I'm just gonna try this. And I got like another tea. A cold one this time. Ah, more views. More views. It's very cold here. Oh gosh, I need to change into my other jacket. When I get to Sapporo. That's me. Let me figure out because I don't know where I'm sitting. I'm gonna figure that out right now. Okay, so I'm in car 3, seat 7A. But they have letters, so I need to figure out which letter is my car. I'm not sure. Car 3. Car 3 is O. And O is that way. I can pretend like I understand what she's saying in Japanese, but I'm not. Oh, she's gonna say it in English now.
We are Koya and Noboribetsu. We will leave from track 2. This train consists of 5 cars. All seats on this train are reserved. Boarding locations are indicated by alphabet signs and monitor on the platform.
Alphabet
Car
sign.
5, sign T and S. Car 4, sign 2. Car 3, sign O.
Sign O, that's me.
Car 2, sign N.
Okay, I'm good. Funny that we're back at the owl.
In the green car, seat
There was a
reservation,
shop here as well,
sign
actually,
N
but I already got my
and
stuff.
K.
Yay, let's wait for the train.
ご案内いたします。
などのエリア外です。乗車券と給券とも
まもなく列車が
ご
参ります。ご注意ください。
That's my train. Okay, so I made it to my next train. Oh my gosh, look at these views. to Hokkaido. Sapporo to be exact.